Hi, welcome to Eat, Pray, Love and Tarot. I'm channeling today that something big is coming your way. And generally when I pull up this deck, the universe has some important or urgent message to deliver. And I got pulled to this deck today. Something big. I don't know exactly what. I don't know exactly in what area of your life this big change is coming, but something big is coming your way. So we will check with this tarot, with this oracle cards, that what exactly can you expect. And we will also do a reading, take a time reading from the major arcanas, since this is a major this is going to be a major turn in your life. So first let's see what the universe wants to say, what big thing is coming, and what will be the challenges or what will be the guidance for you during this journey, during this transformation period or whatever. Let's see. I'll take 3 cards. 1. 3. But I think I should take 6. I don't know why. Literally flying. Let's see what we have. Let's arrange. Let me take the cards first. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. I thought of taking 6 cards. 8 cards आ गया, and उसमें कर्मा कार्ड भी आया है, and 8 is the number of karma. So let's see what has come here. Dharna, Dhumavati, Swadhisthana, that is the sacral chakra, Santosha, Dhyana, Buddhi, Ahimsa, and Karma. Okay. So let me arrange the cards. Let's begin with Santosha. I'm getting drawn to this card. Wow, there are 6 women standing here, and I told you that I want to pull 6 cards. Pata nahi kya. Anyway, so Santosha, this is the big thing that is coming your way. Santosh, you will be satisfied with your life. You will be content with your life. You will have everything in your life. This the obstacles, the mountains, these obstacles will be overcome. You will be able to overcome these obstacles and get all the basic indulgences of life, and of course overall satisfaction. See, this moon is like a diamond here, so you will get material abundance, luxury. Women, grounding, nurture, love, care, family. Again, snow-clad mountains, salvation, spiritual enlightenment. So overall, physically, emotionally, spiritually, financially, socially, because this is a gathering, it will be a संतोषजनक life for you, a satisfied life for you. But right now, you are facing your karma. Past life, this life. See, there are three kinds of karma. One, dridha karma, that can't be changed. You come with that from your past life, and no matter, no remedies, no mantras, no yantras, no gemstones, no crystals will be able to, nothing will be able to give you take you out, help you to pass this karma and just avoid, you can't avoid the dridha karma. I don't know, today I am just fumbling for words. Maybe my collectives who are watching this today, they are also like searching for words. They have not been speaking their mind for a long time. They are also groping for the right words to come up with. Throat chakra blockage, communication issues they are facing in their personal, professional, social, and anywhere in their life, in any area of their life maybe. So anyway, so dridha karma, that's unavoidable. You have to face the consequences. You have to go through the entire purgation process. That is not going to be very pleasant. There is a adridha karma, which is a little flexible. So if you do your tap, if you do your jap, if you do your remedies, so you will be able to overcome, you will be able to avoid it, say about 70-80%, but that 20% you have to go through that entire penance thing. It's like ठीक है, इसका पैर काटना था, छोटा मोटा चोट के ऊपर से इसको माफ कर देते हैं. And then there is adridha karma, flexible, that can be changed with your prarabdha, that is your present karma. See, every moment, every prarabdha is becoming our sanchita, and agami. Every moment is our sanchita, prarabdha and agami, past life, present life and future. Every moment. Abhi, say right now it's, I don't know what time it is. Take for example it's 11. So 10:59 में 11 was the agami. At 11, this is the prarabdha. At again, when it will be 11.1, 11 past 1 minute, this 11 will become the past. So every moment we are earning our karma, be it dridha, adridha or adridha, but karma to ho raha hai. So if you take care of your prarabdha, definitely if it's a adridha karma, you can change it. So अभी मैं I can very well say, पता है आपके enemies को कर्मा मिल रहा है, but no, I'm not getting, this card is not for your enemies or anyone who did you wrong. This reading is for you, only for you. It's very easy to blame others. It's very easy to show the mirror to others कि देख ये तेरा चेहरा है, but it's not very easy to look at ourselves and see that ये मेरा चेहरा है, मैं आँख मिला पा रहा हूँ या पा रही हूँ अपने आप से. So it's very difficult to point out our red flags. So today's reading is for you. अगर ये संतोष वाला लाइफ चाहिए तो ये रीडिंग आपको सुनना है और अप्लाई भी करना है. I'm not here to force you. Tarot can only guide you. Tarot is a medium between the universe and you. It will just convey you the message and the guidance of the universe. करोगे नहीं करोगे, आपका लाइफ है, अच्छा होगा बुरा होगा आप भुगतोगे, मेरा क्या है. मुझे अपना कर्मा करना है, मैं अपना कर्मा कर रही हूँ. Anyway, so whatever you are going through right now, I think you should pause a bit and think why. मैंने ऐसा क्या किया है जिसके वजह से मुझे मिल रहा है. ऑफ कोर्स पास्ट लाइफ में किया होगा तो शायद नहीं समझ पाओगे, बट आई थिंक यही अभी तक का आपका जो सफर है, द जर्नी सो फार, यू हैव फॉल्टर्ड many a times, maybe due to your childhood trauma, due to anything can be there. It's your life. I don't know your story. So many people will be watching this video, so I don't know your everyone's individual story, and this is a collective reading, so it's not possible to pick individual energies here. Private reading में वो होता है. So but collective reading, I think in fact my collective readings are as good as personal readings to a great extent. Those who are regular viewers, they always tell me that, and I'm humbled, I'm grateful to the universe that, anyway, it's not about me, it's about you. So yeah, whatever you are going through is your karma. So instead of trying to कुछ नहीं करते हैं, मेरा तो भाग्य ही फूट गया, मेरा तो भाग्य ही खराब है, instead of lamenting and being a sukhi lala, take accountability, see what you can do to better your karma. आपको पता नहीं होगा कि क्या दृढ़ है आपके लाइफ में, क्या अदृढ़ है, क्या दृढ़ अदृढ़ है, पता नहीं है. रेमेडीज, मंत्र, तंत्र जो भी है वो भी ऑप्शनल है. हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है, डिपेंड्स ऑन हु इज एनालाइजिंग योर चार्ट्स, हु इज ऑफरिंग यू द रेमेडीज, कहाँ से मिल रहा है, क्या कर रहे हो, इफ इट्स सूटिंग यू और नॉट. So many factors, external factors, it will be dependent on external factors, but what you can do is to take care of your karma, your doing. आप अपने ऊपर काम कर सकते हो, work on your healing. Okay. Swadhisthana chakra. So it's the sacral chakra. So sacral chakra is below the navel, 2 fingers below the belly button. तो sacral chakra, I think मेरा जो ये collectives है आज का, their sacral chakra is blocked, which means they are perpetually in fear. उन्हें हमेशा वो डर में जीते हैं. किस बात का डर पता नहीं, पर डर है. कुछ खोने का डर, मौत का डर, कुछ ना कुछ डर. अगर डर नहीं भी है तो क्यों डर नहीं है उसका भी डर. सो बहुत डर, एंजाइटी, इसमें आप लोग जी रहे हो. इमोशनली you are in this point of time. If you can resonate with this, what I am going to tell you, then this reading is definitely for you. This is a confirmation that this entire reading is for you. So definitely आप हमेशा एक डर में जीते हो, खुल के नहीं जी पाते हो, खुल के कुछ नहीं कर पाते हो. हमेशा लोग क्या सोचेंगे, ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये नहीं होगा तो वो क्या होगा, मुझसे ये छीन जाएगा तो मैं कैसे जीऊंगा या जीऊंगी. टेक व्हाट रेजोनेट्स, एनर्जी डोंट हैव एनी जेंडर. सो हमेशा एक डर, खोने का डर, ऐसे सब कुछ ऐसे जकोर के बैठ जाने का डर. दिस इज द इमोशनल से ओवर थिंकिंग, एंजाइटी, ऐसा डर. फिजिकल अगर बात करूँ तो यू माइट बी सफरिंग फ्रॉम लोअर बैक पेन और किडनी इश्यूज और एपेंडिसाइटिस और मेंस्ट्रुअल इश्यूज और फर्टिलिटी इश्यूज और आपके सेक्स लाइफ में कोई इश्यूज हो सकता है. देयर माइट बी प्रॉब्लम्स देयर ऑल्सो. Yeah, so either you might be suffering from one of these problems or your mental state might be with this. If you really want santosh in your life, this sacral chakra stands for our joy, our pleasure. So until and unless your pleasure and joy, the chakra for your pleasure and joy are blocked, you won't be able to get to this santosha. Of course, the sacral chakra blockage is because of your unhealed childhood trauma. See, you might be thinking why I always bring up this childhood trauma again and again, because please understand, what we suffer as a child, our unhealed childhood trauma or our childhood trauma, if remains unhealed, it reflects in our relationships as adults. The best thing about karma is you have to face it. You can't run away from it. जहाँ भी जाओगे, karma will stand in front of you. So, of course, as a child, we can't heal our own trauma. But what we can do is that as we are growing up, as we are gaining consciousness and conscience, what we can do is that identify our red flags, our shadow self, our unhealed traumas and work on that. Otherwise, this unhealed trauma will keep reflecting in all the relationships in our life, not just romantic ones. We will keep what we don't heal in ourselves, we keep attracting in our life. So if we are traumatized, if we are broken, if we are suffering from self-worthlessness, we will attract similar toxic people in life. बस रिश्ते का नाम बदलेगा, शरीर बदलेगा, उस इंसान का नाम बदलेगा, बाकी उसका जो पैटर्न है, इट विल बी द सेम पैटर्न. सो अनलेस यू हील योरसेल्फ, यू विल कीप attracting all these toxicities in your life, and you will also keep breaking all people who come to your life. क्योंकि जब तक आप हीट नहीं हो, you can't pour from a cracked cup. empty cup तो छोड़ दो, एक broken cup से आप कुछ डाल नहीं पाओगे, क्योंकि उसमें कुछ तो होल्ड कर ही नहीं पाएगा. So it all begins with you. So today's reading is for you. Dhumavati, how apt. Dhumavati is the Dasamahavidya, is one of the Dasamahavidyas, and she is the goddess of Ketu. Ketu is the planet of spiritualism. आप बहुत ही and of course intuition, moksha, liberation. आप बहुत ही इंट्यूटिव पर्सन हो सकते हो, स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन हो सकते हो. बट राइट नाउ, सिंस योर स्वाधिष्ठाना चक्रा इज ब्लॉक्ड एंड वेयर इज दिस, या द बॉटम ऑफ द डेक इज सहस्रara, that is the crown chakra, that is also blocked, I think, because that the pink color, the lilac, this is the color of spiritual awakening. So इसके वजह से आपके जो intuition है, you are not being able to trust your intuition, you are not being able to keep faith in the divine, in the universe or your higher self, whatever you believe in, and you are holding on to something. You are that cycle has ended, वो हो गया है, खत्म हो गया है, but still you are clinging to it. You are deriving nothing from that situation, but you are still holding on to it. Ketu and Dhumavati says that you have to let go, but you are not being able to let go. कहीं ना कहीं your materialism आपके spiritualism पे हावी हो रहा है. It's dominating, this materialism in you is dominating your spiritualism. See, spiritualism and materialism can't coexist equally. If you choose spiritualism, of course materialism will follow, but not to that extent. You will have santosha in life. Maybe you won't have anything excess in life, which is also not required. यहाँ कुछ भी हमारा नहीं है. Even the universe's resources are limited. We must not waste it. So if you are if you choose spiritualism as your marg, as your path, that doesn't mean that you have to leave your family and take sannyas. No. Spiritualism, spiritual righteousness, dharma. If you follow the path of dharma, dharma आया था ना? No. So definitely you will have that materialism in your life, enough to have a comfortable life, enough to bring you santosh. But if you choose materialism, spiritualism can't follow. There will be religion, but there won't be spiritualism. Choose wisely. Ultimately, moksha is what we are here for. Liberation is what we here for. Anyway, so coming to Dhumavati, yes, if you see Dhumavati's cart in some pictures, it is two crows trying to pull the cart. It's not being they are not being able to. Also, and in some pictures, Dhumavati's cart Rath is without wheels, which means she doesn't. This Rath can't move forward. So right now, in whatever situation you are in, you can't move forward with that unless you let it go. This is no longer serving your purpose. You are sitting on on something dead long back. In terms of relationship, in terms of thinking, in terms of perspective, this is no longer serving you. Dharna. This is time for you for single focus concentration. जो आपके दिमाग में और दिल में है. I think a similar thing came up in yesterday's reading also, when I was getting the universe's immediate urgent message for you, for my collectives yesterday night. So dharana, this, तो universe is again and again telling you that this is the time. ये सब हटाओ, ये सब बेकार की बातें छोड़ो, जिस वजह से आप आए हो. आइडेंटिफाई योर सोल पर्पस एंड कंसंट्रेट देयर. मछली की आंख जिसमें अर्जुन कंसंट्रेट किए थे. सिंगल फोकस कंसंट्रेशन. सी दिस इज द, it all depends on you. Rising sun or setting sun, you decide. The reflection, whatever you, also reflection, whatever you think, whatever you manifest, the universe will get it to you. If you manifest the rising sun, the universe will reflect to you, give you, mirror you the rising sun. If the setting sun is in your manifestation, you will manifest setting sun. So it's all in your mind. It's a blooming mind. It's a creative mind. You are your own creator. But for that, you need to let go of all the bullshit and fuck shits in your life and embark on your soul purpose, on your soul journey. Single focus concentration. Ahimsa. Nobody, this ahimsa card is, okay, many people have wronged you. So far, you have maintained a very non-violent stance. But this ahimsa won't serve you anymore. Manifest. Manifest that they get their karma. What you manifest, you will get it. So, वो गुडी गुडी बनना छोड़ो कि जिसने मेरे साथ गलत किया है, send them love and light. Bullshit. जिसने तुम्हें अंधेरा दिया है, उसके लिए लव एंड लाइट मत करो, उसके लिए प्रार्थना मत करो. रिवेंज लेने के लिए नहीं कह रही हूँ, अपने सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट के लिए खड़े होने के लिए कह रही हूँ. अपने साथ अगर अन्याय हुआ है तो उसके लिए वॉइस अप करने के लिए बोल रही हूँ. इफ यू डोंट स्टैंड अप फॉर द इनजस्टिस डन टू यू, यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट अदर्स टू स्टैंड फॉर योर जस्टिस. बुद्धि, सहस्त्ररा चक्र ब्लॉकेज आया था. सो 23 मिनट्स में ये वीडियो ऑटोमेटिकली इसका लिमिट क्रॉस हो जाएगा. सो आई हैव टू पोस्ट अ सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ इट. सो प्लीज बेयर विथ मी. सो बुद्धि इज समथिंग, बुद्धि इज नॉट जस्ट इंटेलिजेंस, इट्स ऑल्सो इंटेलेक्ट. Listen to your mind and your heart. Maintain a 4 times 2 on my counter for a reason. So concentrate on your mind, focus, listen to your mind, listen to your intuition, maintain a coordination between your mind and heart. Manipulation, learn healthy manipulation. साम दाम दंड भेद का प्रयोग आपको भी सीखना है. हाई टाइम. I'll disconnect this video now and go to the next video where I'll start with dhyana.